3 teens from planet Era become shipwrecked on Famor, an ancient prison planet hidden in the red zone. Here they are greeted by Genie, who empowers them with the ability to combine into one unit, HOLT, a super being. With the universe now under attack from the evil Blight, the teens must fight for survival. So they can safely return to their home world.